Good morning, y'all. Rise and shine. It is 5 o'clock in the morning, and I'm still trying to wake up. But I wanted to at least record me trying out this new hair paint dye. This is a red color. And this is how it looks. I split my hair in 3 sections. And then I'm gonna work on each section a little bit, like piece by piece. And then once I finish that section, I'm gonna wrap it on up. I am using completely washed hair. So it's washed hair. Also, I have leave-in conditioner in it, and some oil, Jamaican castor oil. That's all I have in my hair right now.
So right now I'm taking a piece of my back section, I'm detangling it, and then once I detangle it, then I'm going to add the hair wax. The hair wax ended up being somewhat of like a cream instead of an actual wax, which I was like completely surprised. But pretty much I just raked it through until my desire of the curl pattern I wanted, and I did that throughout my whole entire head.
All right, y'all, so I am almost done with my hair. I got this little piece here to go. My hair is red. Freaking awesome. I cannot believe this is so beautiful. Oh my God. But yeah, I got this little piece to go. And I'm gonna go ahead and just do this part in front of you. I'm literally, with my hair is like still like not damp. So I'm gonna damp it a little bit more. And then I comb through it and make sure I get all my love. I detangle it really good. Then I apply. I always start from the roots. And then I make my way up like for the ombre effect, but I'm not going all the way to my. I already start from the ends, not the roots, but the ends. Then I'm literally like separating, doing a little shingling by like just separating the curls, so I don't have to do a lot of manipulation with my hair, because I just want it just to naturally do what it do, so I don't have a lot of transfer. Because I've been watching a lot of videos saying they have a lot of transfer and all this blah 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 blah. I'm like, I ain't trying to have all that. So I found out you can't add a lot of product in your hair and then put the wax on. That's why it comes with, that's what comes with a lot of transfer as well. Now I'm trying to find my part again, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna pin up my hair and then let it go under the dryer and let it dry. This is what's on my hands. This should wash off, they say it should. So I just got a matter of just using some soap. But yeah, so I'm gonna wash my hands and send them to the dryer. Hey guys, all right, so this right here is my finishing look. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. I'm so excited. I have freaking color in my hair. Y'all, I got color in my hair. Like, do you see this? It's color in my hair. Like, what? It's color in my hair. So excited. Oh. So guys, tell me guys what you think. Do you think it's cute or not? And I just made it to work, and it's still a little bit damp, so I'm not really touching it because it does transfer when it's wet. So so far that I've been seeing. So yes, y'all.